It's Frankie Sheehan here from Pendulum Summit. I hope you are well and safe wherever you are in the world. Just a couple of updates I wanted to share with you. Number one, Pendulum Summit, due to take place in January, will be most likely kicked out a few months. I'm sure you understand, but it won't be replaced and it will take place, but we will be in touch in due course on that. In the meantime, you guys have been challenging us to deliver a world-class virtual solution to keep you guys motivated, because we're finding so many of you are onto us and you're struggling to keep your core teams engaged, motivated and driven, especially in this climate that is completely changed and working from home and all that side of things. So thanks to fantastic preparation and research by the Pendulum team, we now have an offering that we're putting our final touches on that will deliver that world-class solution for you. The highlight actually being a 3D virtual platform that are absolutely outstanding, multiple languages, multiple time zones, for expos and sponsors and networking. It is out of this world. I have not seen the likes of this. The technology, you're nearly in the event. For some people it might be as good as the real thing. I'm not quite sure of that, but for some it might. And of course being delivered by the best speakers in the world. We don't disappoint you, you know, in fairness, we always do. You recognize a couple of the names in this, and they're going to focus on the most prevalent and current issues facing you at this time. Some of those being business agility, personal fortitude, remote leadership, perseverance, bounce back ability, and opportunity and uncertainty. And because we do know mentally it's very hard to get yourself going, especially if you're working away from your teams at the moment, but we're going to help and we're here for you, and we really appreciate your support in advance. Please connect with us. Welcome at pendulumsummit.com or Frankie at pendulumsummit.com, and we're going to be in touch soon, and thanks in advance again.